Spelling week 27. Adding ing. Ing. Number 1. Coming. Coming. Is that coming to your party? Coming. Number 2. Skating. Skating. We went ice skating at the ice skating rink. Skating. Number 3. Taking. Taking. Ron is taking Spot for a walk. Ron is taking his dog for a walk. Taking. Number 4. Giving. Giving. Mr. K is giving me a ride home. Mr. K is giving me a ride home. Giving. Number 5. Choosing. Choosing. We are choosing a team leader. Choosing. Number 6. Smiling. Smiling. The boys are smiling at the clown. Smiling. Number 7. Baking. Baking. I love the smell of bread baking. Baking. Number 8. Sliding. Sliding. Mud is sliding onto the road. Sliding. Number 9. Changing. Changing. Is that car changing lanes? Changing. Changing. Number 10. Waving. Waving. The flag is waving in the breeze. Waving. Number 11. Leaving. Leaving. Is Ned leaving your house? Leaving. Number 12. Making. Making. I am making a salad for dinner. Making. Making. Number 13. Hoping. Hoping. We are hoping that you feel better soon. Hoping. Number 14. Trading. Trading. Is that your sack of trading cards? Is that your stack of trading cards? Trading. And number 15. Having. Having. I'm having a sleepover tonight. Having. I'm going to give you a couple of challenge words and then we'll go over any words you want repeated. Number 16. Painting. Painting. Painting is one of my favorite things to do. Painting. And number 17, handwriting. Handwriting. You were all practicing your handwriting. Handwriting. And last one, weaving. Weaving. You all learned to do spool knitting, which is a type of weaving. Weaving.